CYPE Gas Supply is a program created for the automatic analysis, design, checking, and sizing of grid, branched, and mixed gas distribution networks in urban infrastructures. To get started, we can link the model to a project hosted on the BIMserver.center platform and become part of the collaborative workflow provided by OpenBIM technology. If the project includes land topography information in an IFC file with the correct entities, it can be imported for visualization and support in the data entry process. In the general data of the installation, the program allows us to manage the materials and soils libraries, as well as to define the parameters of the system, choosing whether to enter the data by flow rates or by power, control the limits of velocities and pressures to carry out the checks on the elements, adjust the coefficients used in the design, or enter the values that define the excavations. We also need to edit the load cases and the load case combinations to be used in the design. Next, we place the nodes of the system on the plan. We can edit their characteristics and design data, such as their type, either general supply, consumption node, or transition node, their elevation, specify the associated flow rate or power and the supply pressures if applicable, use specific limits of pressures if desired, and modify their symbols. The spans are traced from node to node or directly on the plan. We also edit them to define aspects such as their materials, the flow or the power of the associated uniform consumption, or use specific limits of velocities. After the analysis, the results of the nodes or spans are displayed on the screen. We can select each of the load cases, load case combinations, or envelopes to check whether or not each element is compliant, and study the reason for non-compliance by means of a color code. Finally, the program allows us to generate project reports, including the design report, which includes the description of the system and the formula used, and the reports of the detailed results in the nodes and in the spans. The program also generates the drawings of the system. These documents can be printed directly or exported in different formats. Authorized project participants can share and view the information generated with the program via the BIMserver.center platform, allowing them to access all the information from any device at any time.